Okay, let's slice into the 5 layers of AI. It's probably not what you think.
Think AI is just some clever app on your phone? Well, think again.
Now, this is the largest infrastructure build-out in human history. Seriously.
To really get why, you have to see what's totally changed in computing.
For the first time, computers can understand our world and create intelligence on demand.
In a power like that, it meant we had to reinvent the entire stack.
So if you look at it industrially, AI really is a 5-layer stack.
First up, energy. This is the absolute limit on how much intelligence gets produced.
Layer 2, the chips. These are specialized processors that turn that energy into computation.
Then you've got infrastructure. But don't think data centers. Think AI factories.
Layer 4 is the models. This is the software that actually understands our world.
And finally, applications. This is where all that intelligence creates real economic value.
And the scale of this build-out? We're talking trillions. And this is just the beginning.
And get this, you don't need a PhD. We're talking skilled, well-paid jobs here.
See, productivity creates capacity, and capacity, that creates growth. It's a powerful cycle.
By automating routine tasks, AI lets pros focus on what humans do best. That's growth.
So why the huge boom right now? In the past year, AI models got really good.
This isn't a trend. Every single company will use AI. Every nation will build it.
But here's the thing. We're still so early. So the real question is, where will you fit in?